Local news for Thursday the 13th of December. For the past few months, Carterton District Council has been planning to rehome native mudfish on the Downton farm ahead of construction of a 200,000 cubic metre storage ponds. Infrastructure Manager Dave Giddings says recent rain and the seal holding means original habitats are now suitable and rehoming is likely to go ahead across the Christmas period. Delays on the rehoming project occurred following the discovery of a compromised seal to the new habitat, meaning retaining water was a challenge. Emergency services were called to an accident in South Wairarapa in the early hours of yesterday morning. They were called after a crash at the Mahakai intersection south of Martinborough at approximately 1:30am. A community housing project in Nainai has benefits to Wairarapa. Wesley Community Action has announced that it has signed an agreement with Masterton prefabricated home provider EasyBuild to build 25 affordable rental homes at the former Wesley Haven village in Nainai. And in sport, both